What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday. We had another great week last week of trading. Absolutely crushed it in Forex. A nice 9.5% total gain when risking 2% per trade, so you can get an idea of how much you would make off your account size right here. And Forex, I did leave one trade on the table, but we snagged two trades, total profit 58%. Took a trade already this morning. Nice 50% gain. You can gain free access to my signals at the end of the video. So we're sitting at 0.04367, down 3% for Gala. Market cap 1.32 billion, 24 volume 129 million. So a couple scenarios. ABC correction. Wave C is 5 waves. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, come down, Wave 5. I would expect you to come down to the 78.6% fib level. Just looking at BTC at the moment. Alternative scenario is that's your A wave down, and basically you're going to push higher in a B and then roll over in a C. If we were to see a straight breakout from here, I think that's a less likely probability, but anything is possible. I think it's much more likely we just come down from here to the 78.6, or we bounce, we roll over, we come down and continue the correction. If we start to lose this level, then things can become bearish. We lose that low, then you are going to come much deeper. But until then, we have a nice 5-way move to the upside. Just looks like we're going through an ABC correction. On the daily chart, we broke out of the descending triangle. We're currently retesting it. So if we do end up holding that support, then we can bounce back to the upside and head towards the technical target, which is up here at about 0.0569, which would be extremely juicy. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. We're catching trades along the way. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Once you make your first deposit, can be $10, $100. Send me an email, give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals as well. Just absolutely crushing it in Forex. Last week I added 7% to my account. This week I added 9.5. So you're looking about 16.5% in just 2 weeks added to your account. So you can sign up for free. If you do not want to go the BITUNIX route, you can sign up through the Patreon. It's $10 a month. We have almost 3,000 members. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.